Muthenya umwe thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kwandikithia ngatheti-ini ya thirikari mawatho oro undu na muthenya wa githurano kinene, Muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Wafula Chebukati niaugite matire na mbeca cia kuigana cia gutwarithia na mbere mihang'o ino, indi kuiga makuhithira kiria mari nakio gutigirira githurano ni giatabanio na njira ya waragania na matakwenderera mwena ona uriku wa kiuteti. Chebukati uria ukwaragia hindi ya mihang'o ya kunyabara wandikithia wa uikia wa kura kaunti-ini ya Vihiga ni uriria Kenya aria mateyandikithĩtie aikia a kura meyumirie kwa uingi, akiuga gutire na uhotekeku o wothe wa kuongerera ihinda ria wiyandikithia.
Kana na hiyo timelines, tukifunga mwezi wa pili tarehe 6 hatuna nafasi nyingine ya kuandikisha watu. Itakuwa sasa ni kufanya audit of the register, ku clean up register, alafu tuna certify ile register. Alafu wakati sasa tutarudi hapa tena ni kuangalia ile register ile inaitwa verification. So time inaendelea, hatuna wakati mwingine ya kuregister watu.
Ihinda-ini riu Chebukati niuritie mundu othe ungikorwo na matete na muno makiria ateti meyumirie na kwaraniria na kamiti ino niguo mathina macio mang'ethanirwo namo.
From the time we have announced or gazetted the timelines and the election date, the Code of Conduct Committee has come in force, and if there are any issues around elections, bring it forward and we shall deal with it. But the Commission is independent, it works without fear of favor for anyone, and if there are such accusations, please get more facts.
Muthenya wa ira Chebukati nianiriire kwambiriria kwa wandikithia wa uikia wa kura aria mari nja wa bururi, kuria raugire wandikithio uyu uria urambiriirie muthenya wa ira ugukorwo githie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku 15 na ugukorwo gitabanio ceceni-ini 18.
Kenyan citizens residing outside Kenya who apply for registration as voters must fulfill the following conditions: produce a valid Kenyan passport, be of 18 years of age and above, and present the identification document to the registration officer stationed at the designated registration center.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Tetu kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, njitagwo Gicuki Wang'ang'a.